A fakir never tries to prove Allah's existence. He knows that only the eye of the beholder can provide proof of the sun. An acquaintance with a sagacious person turns one into a sagacious person. When the ark begins to sink, the abject wants to come to remember Allah. Be immersed in His remembrance, you will attain peace. The greatest strength is the strength to endure. Love the person you don't like, his character will change. Never disquiet anyone, you will attain peace. As much effort is expended by man in concealing his flaw, just that much effort could be made to amend that flaw. A heaven that is thought of all but oneself is worse than hell. Suffering is a result of our deeds, ordained by Allah, by one's capacity to endure. Each suffering is an eye opener. It's there to guard us from an even greater tribulation. An appetite is necessary for health, but appetite is not health. One man asked the other, "When did you tell the first lie in your life?" The other replied, "The day I claimed that I will always tell the truth." Some lead life lifelessly, some live on beyond death. A person who does not love somebody in his homeland cannot love his homeland. Unify your ardor and allegiance. You will attain peace. Hard work and struggle are necessary for development, but it should not be forgotten that striving cannot turn a donkey horse. The risk that is reckoned ahead of time can be mitigated by way of prayers. May Allah protect us from the dangers that we do not even realize to be close to. Despair is the ultimate highwayman in your way. A flower's one day life is better than the cactus life, spanning many years.